I shared some useful links to finding out more about Microsoft Teams and the Microsoft platform earlier on. Where's the best place for teachers and others to go if they want to find out more about the Creativity Suite?
Oh, look, there are so many resources out there. In fact, there are such a wide variety. I'm going to play you a video that'll help sort of condense a little bit of them for you. The most important resource, I think, would probably be the Adobe Education Exchange, and that's edx.adobe.com. The Adobe Education Exchange is just about to hit 1 million members, which is just fantastic. And it's all about teachers helping teachers use Adobe tools in all areas of the curriculum. The following clip features an animated character called Rob the Robot, and he's going to tell us a bit about these resources and a few other things as well. And this video that you're about to see was actually created with Adobe Character Animator and Adobe Premiere Pro. And it only took me about 30 minutes to put this together because of the real-time animation features that are part of Adobe Character Animator. Here's Rob the Robot.
Hi there, it's Rob the Robot here from the Adobe Education team. Thank you for being involved with this Adobe in Education event. On behalf of the team, I would like to share some follow-up resources that will not only benefit you, but also your colleagues and wider education networks. Use this QR code or link to find out more about the Adobe Creative Educator program. This is a badging program that involves multiple levels. To obtain the Level 1 badge, you need to do the Creativity for All course on the Adobe Education Exchange. The focus of this course is creativity in education rather than Adobe. You don't need to be an Adobe expert or even a regular Adobe user to get your Level 1 badge. Inject Creativity Live is a live and on-demand show on the Adobe for Education YouTube channel. It is recorded every second Wednesday evening at 6:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Time during the school terms. Each show features a practical demo from a teacher who is an Adobe education leader. The demo is of a practical Adobe application and how that teacher is using it in the classroom. Each show also features a thought piece from a leading education thought leader. The show also features me. Let your colleagues know about Inject Creativity Live and join the live audience every second Wednesday night. This QR and link take you to our contact form. Use this form to make sure you are on the email lists for our monthly updates for Australasian teachers. This QR and link takes you to the Australasian Adobe in Education Coming Events site to keep you and your colleagues informed with the wide range of professional learning opportunities that are freely available to all educators in any curriculum area and level. We hope you enjoyed this session. Please do share what you've learned with your colleagues and wider education networks, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.
So that wraps up the session today. Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, please submit them via the link on your screen or visit our website at data3.com/education, where we have a heap of additional content and resources. We also have a link to a short survey. We'd love to get your feedback, and we'll also be in the running for a free workshop with Dr. Tim Kitchen for your school. So that's all for now. Thanks again, everybody.